Hey friends, if you wish to fix system interrupts high CPU usage in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update audio and display drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Okay, needs a while. Expand the list of audio input and output drivers and update all the drivers one by one. Right click on them and select Update Drivers. Do it for all the audio drivers. Similarly, expand the list of display adapters. Right click and update the display drivers as well. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.